What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today I have a question from a Sean Lewis. Can't really see it that well, it just looks white to y'all, but I can read it. So ooh, there you go, you can see something there. But anyway, Sean Lewis asked, could I do a video to explain how to repair the brake line in the front left of the truck? I have an 05 Avalanche and the brake line just busted. Its brake line is by the front left tire and it goes before the brake booster. I think that's what it's called. Okay, so super easy. All it is you just get a flare nut wrench, and I believe the size of these flare nut wrenches are either 14 or 15, maybe 15 or something like that. I think, I don't quote me on it, but reason why you want a flare nut wrench is because they avoid slippage. You're not going to wring the nut off and then you're not gonna get a grip. So get flare nut wrenches, they'll save you. Now, second one, I'm not exactly sure where I'm following which one it is, so we're just gonna go through each one and how it's done. So I'm gonna turn the camera to the truck now. So basically we have a bunch of lines. There's some here and here. This goes to the brake booster, but this is called hydro boost. So those two lines are the hydro boost lines. They help with the power steering and whatever. So if those are the lines you're talking about, all you have to do is just get the flare nut wrench of its size, twist them loose, and just replace them and route them. Now, you said it's by the tire. Okay, really and truly, I have no idea how to explain to you how to do this. All I did was use the flare nut wrench, break my lines loose, remove the nuts on the lines, pull the line out, try to snake it out the best I can, and then I try to route the line the best I can. I usually take out the, what I did was take out the fender liner, and I kind of routed it from that way. And if you have trouble doing it through the fender liner, when the fender liner is removed, do it through the engine bay. Try to find a way that works with you. Do not kink or bend your line. If you already ordered these stainless steel lines from online, I keep saying line so much, but there's just no way that I can explain to you how to do this. It's weird. Like, just take it off with the flare nut wrench and try to route it back the best way that you can. Mine didn't exactly line up 100% on every little place that it's supposed to be. I bought the pre-routed ones already and I just put them in. However they landed is how I left them to be. I tried to secure them the best I could, but I made sure that they were out of the way from anything so it doesn't get damaged. But that's the only thing I can tell you. Just make sure that it's out of the way. It's not going to get damaged from anything. Try not to kink it, and just take your time when you're threading back in the brake lines. Make sure they seat properly. You don't want to cross thread them, because if you cross thread them, that's a problem. So take your time and do it. That's the best I can give you. I really don't know how else to explain it to you. If anyone else wants to jump in the comment section below and help out Sean Lewis, I would appreciate it and explain it the best way possible. If this doesn't help you, Sean, just try to send me a picture. Try to take a picture of the line that you're talking about. Send it to me on my Gmail, sookwahRyan@gmail.com, and SOOKWAHRYAN@gmail.com. Or look in my About Me section on YouTube and you will see the email where you can send me stuff. So just send me a picture of it and tell me that you need help. If this doesn't help you at all, I doubt this video does help you, but yeah, just send it to me and I got you. So I'll see you all for the next one. Peace.